Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to make a red smoky eye tutorial, and sadly a lot of parts of this video got deleted, but I did not have the time to re-record them. So here I am doing my base, and I'm almost doing the same thing as I did in my previous video that you can find linked in the description box below.
Mom, she might be the bomb, but ain't nobody got her mom like mine. Hello to the end, she's my best friend. Ain't nobody got her mom.
Okay, so after me singing a little bit for you, I'm going to highlight, and I like using this. This is the Anastasia Glow Kit palette, and that is what I used today, and I used the middle shade on the top row. I can't remember the shade name right now, but it's one of my favorites. So here we have me doing my brows, and I decided to spread through them because they takes forever to do, and we'll be sitting here tomorrow watching this video. Anywho, here we have me doing my eye makeup, and that is sadly one of the biggest parts that got deleted, not gone, but I can explain it. I used the Morphe 35O palette, and I took a reddish orange shade and put that through my crease, and then onto the lid I put a dark matte red shadow, and that's basically what I did. And then I took this kohl pencil liner and lined my lower waterline and my tight line, and then I'm gonna smoke that out with a black shadow, and I use this from the Morphe 25A palette, I think. It's a Copper Spice palette. So what I did here was smoking that black shadow under my eyelid and bring it up into a wing, and just connecting that with my top lash line and smudging that out as well. And this is just gonna give a cool winged line effect without the winged liner, if you know what I mean. I really like this effect, and it really brings out my lashes that we're gonna put on later. And then I'm also just gonna blend out some of the black shadow, just to blend it out with the colors, and just keep on blending basically. Blend, blend, and blend. And here I'm showing you the colors. I also use those colors into the crease, if you're wondering. So now I'm going to take this Urban Decay Afterglow highlighter, and this is in the color Sin, and I'm using this underneath my brow bone as well as the inner corner. And I'm also going to top this highlighter off with a shadow from the sleek Goodnight Sweetheart palette. Don't know if they still sell that because it was a limited edition, but just use whatever highlighter you like underneath your brow bone and in the corner basically. Just use anything you have. It was such a long ramble, wasn't it? Now I'm applying the House of Lashes Iconics to my lashes, and here I'm putting some setting spray on my face. I'm using the All Nighter by Urban Decay. So that was the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!